Why forex trading is not profitable in Nigeria. In this video, I will show you what I knew before diving into forex trading, and I also prove to you why forex trading is not profitable in Nigeria. This is what many big boys, big players out there would not tell you, and they would never reveal to you. So I urge you to watch this video to the end. Go into my bio and watch this video to the end so you can get unveiled into this deep secret right now. Watch to the end and join me on the hit side. Bye for now. Alright, welcome back everybody. So in this video I'm going to be highlighting what I said earlier, and I'm of the oppose that forex trading is not profitable in Nigeria. I'm also of the support, but firstly I'll be highlighting some key factors, crucial stuff to you about the oppose, and this I believe that many will not tell you out there. Please endeavor to follow me through and watch this video to the end so you can really get these tips to the end. Firstly, why I'm of the oppose is that, number one, of course I made mention that forex trading is not profitable in Nigeria, and what I wish I knew before coming into trading. Now you should understand the fact that firstly, the forex ecosystems in Nigeria is quite toxic, very toxic. In case you don't know that, let me explain that for you. Furthermore, let me elaborate on that. It's quite toxic in the case whereby we have guys who have been into the industry for more than 5, 6, 7, 8 years, you know, buying Lamborghinis, buying PJ, private jet here and there. The first to buy this, to buy this, second to buy this, the only one in Africa, the only one in the world, the only one in here, the only one in here. So, you know, you that you're just coming to trading, you think that is all what it's all about. You know, everybody tackling each other, countering each other here and there. How much did you make today? I make millions. You make $1 million. You have never made $1 million before. Who are you? You still know stuff like that. Prove it to her. Let us see your, you know, toxicness is just too much. The toxicity in the sports space, in the ecosystem, specifically in Nigeria. I don't know about some other countries, but specifically in Nigeria, it's quite much that you typically see this one having to buy this, so as to oppress this, having to buy so as to show that he earns more money, or he profits more than this one, or you know, the ecosystem is just too toxic, and it's quite worrisome. It's quite worrisome. So if you're just coming into the trading journey, you think that is all about that is all about it, and that is what they are painting to you. That is all about, and how you should also position yourself into it. So the toxicness will always push you. I want to make it. I'm beginning to. Within 1 to 2 to 3 months, your mentor teaches you how to. You only know stop loss and some other things. The next thing you are thinking about is how to get your own Lamborghini as well, how to buy PJ, how to get the first person. You know, this toxicness will inject you, and you begin to pattern yourself, thinking it can come overnight, thinking it can happen within 1 year, within 6 months. These guys have been into the industry for about 5, 7, 8, 10, some of them 12 years. So you know, it took the journey to enjoy. So that toxicness will always we're coming to you as a uniform, and you begin to feel frustrated and feel it's not for you, because that toxicness will empowers you and overwhelms you. And whenever you want to fail, you want to do some stuff, you always be thinking, I want to buy my own PJ too, I want to buy my own PJ, my Lamborghini. You know, it's just all over you. Why not take it step by step? Buy something first, then the next, then the next. If you look at those guys too, that's what they started with something small, from there bigger and bigger and bigger. So that toxicness will oppose you. That's why that is one of the points of my opposition. Why I oppose it? Because of the toxicness in the ecosystem. So it will not make you, it will not enable you to profit if you position yourself in that area because of the toxicness. It will never. The toxicness is just too much. You do not calm yourself down, position yourself, still focused, still determined and dedicated to whatever you're doing, and I ensure that you're going daily. You would never, because of that toxicness, will definitely derail you, because it's just too much, especially in Nigeria. Everybody just showing muscles, just showing strength, just showing I have money more than you, I'm rich more than you, I'm richer than you, you're wealthy, you're this, you're not that. You know, it's just too much. For me, it's just too much. So that's one of my opposed points. The second one is the forex space is full of flashy profit flashes here and there, where you see people coming into the online space, putting it out on the social media, YouTube and Europe, wherever there. Oh, I turned $10 to $1 million, $10 to $10,000. This $1 to 100K. You know, crazy stuff, crazy figures, crazy stuff. They are good. They are interesting. They are quite interesting and enjoyable. You know, but the fact is that to beginners, it's sucking. It's damage your mental control. It's damage your gene. It's damage your ability to stay consistent. You know, by the time people begin to tell you, I turn this to this, I do this, so, and then you're just starting your journey in the Forex space. You're just starting your journey in the Forex space, and then you are also aiming to make. So you begin to position yourself on that, and how you can turn $1 to $100, how you can turn $100 to $1 million, how you can, so you know, stuff like that is not, and then something like that. Why your mentor will not inform you that those kind of trading is not healthy and it's not consistent, it's not sustainable. You only do that once in a while, and most times those who do that, mostly these guys have been in the industry for a while. They have seen some setup that if I do this kind of setup, I can actually turn this money into this and this and this and this. I've seen this repeated itself over and over more than 10 times, and I keep doing this and this. So definitely, if I can raise all my capital or raise half of my capital, I can use it to make this and this and this and this. And people, you know, they are experienced enough. They are experienced. They are empowered. They are knowledgeable about the market enough than you. You're just coming into the market and you just want to. So it's a kind of setup. They see it and they, of course, they fund and they and things turns out good, and they show you the flashy social media there. You don't even know the cooking. You don't even know how it all went. You don't even know the preparation, everything. You don't even know the setup, the strategy, everything. You just think, this is Forex. So people are making this into this Forex. So I can turn $1 to $1 million in Forex. Like, you don't even, come on, it's possible. Yes, of course you can. But what is the roadmap to it? What is the everything that needs to be done to it? So those kind of stuff affects you. Those kind of stuff overwhelms your mind, that for the fact that when it comes into trading, even without having much knowledge, the little one you have been taught, that your mentor has taught you, and with stop loss and everything, I thought you have known everything. The next thing you're funding, you want to flip again, you want to flip and show strength. Flipping, let me tell you, flipping doesn't make you profitable. I'll tell you that. Yeah, flipping doesn't make you profitable. You can flip today, flip tomorrow, and then the next week you blow everything up and keep going and blow and taking it. So it's sustainability. Profitability is all about sustainability. It's all about consistency. When you want to pick out a trader that is profitable, you see a synonymous meaning that is called consistency. You have to be consistent. That's what profitability. Even though you are making €1, if you can be consistent and make €1 for that 1 year, an investor will put billions of dollars with you. They will invest with you. They just see your trading history. Let them say you can make, it is $5 every blessed day. It's not about the large money that you can make per day or per. You can make that for a whole 1 year or 6 months. Because even when I was telling you someone that if I can give you $100 account, I'm actually not expecting you to make profits. Just break even with that account for 1 month. It shows how you can manage funds. It shows how disciplined you are. That is Forex trading. Discipline, patience, consistency, and all stuff like that. Someone will respect you. I will expect that person, if I give $100, I will expect the person that gave $100 that doesn't make any profit for me and deliver the $100 for me in a month, and he trades virtually weekly. I don't know the style of trading, if it's every day trading or something, but I know that he trades, it's not inactive, and he trades for monthly, 30 days, and he could deliver break even for me. So if that person is a good trader and he can actually improve. So it will take a while for you to maintain an account and keep like that. It will take a while. So that is all about it. So the key thing is about consistency, and do not let those stuff to get into your head of I want to. With time, those things will come. With time, those things will flow in. By the time you have mastered some setup, mastered some strategies, mastered some movements of the market, you have understand the trend. Whenever it's trending, this is how it does. You understand shopping market. You understand consolidation market. So you have mastered some things that you have seen it over and over time, and those things keep repeating itself again. That's the sweet thing about this Forex trading. You can see set up on Monday, the next 2, 3, 4 Mondays, you see the same thing again. Like wow, just like a student that goes to an exam hall. He already saw the past questions that happens 2 previous years ago, and he went through them and he read them. By the time he comes to the exam hall, come on, this past questions was past question. It was said last 2 years ago. Come on, this is an opportunity for human. So how would the student respond to that question? Even though the least of them will definitely do what? They will pass. because of what they have seen it before. It's a past question, just a repeated of a thing. That's the same thing that happens in the market. There's a lot of repetitions, past questions for you. So why not? So you definitely do well. So that's why you see those guys doing crazy stuff. They have seen a lot of past questions. This thing I've seen before. It's happened again. Come on, why not? Let me do this. Why I saw it, time I saw it, I failed. This time around, I can adjust myself and do the same thing and do this something different. Can you see? That's exactly what makes these guys more better off, more positioned in a larger scale, and it's on a lot more like that. Okay, so that is on that. And the last one I want to highlight is mentorship. These are the things I knew. These are the things I wish I knew before coming to trading. And of course, this is the last one is on mentorship. Very, very important. Most times we go to all these 2 days, 3 days intensive trainings. Yeah, not intensive about it. They'll call it intensive, or they'll call it boot camp. Oh, 40 hours boot camp, 1 week boot camp, 2 weeks boot camp, 1 month boot camp. My dear, it doesn't end there. The market doesn't end there. So actually, it gives you exposures. It gives you the basic knowledge you need. If they are fine stuff, though I do not deny the fact that you should not go. No, fine, good. Anything like that, for sure, is free or anything, or it requires monetary fee, pay for it. Get the knowledge. That's it about this market. You are just the knowledge, enablement. You need all those things to grow as much as you can. Get those knowledge. So go for it. So those things would not take you there, but they will give you foundations, they'll give you knowledge, they'll give you everything you need. So but most time where we get it wrong and where we purposely think this Forex everything is a scam or it's not working for me or this is because of what, once we learn those things 1 month, 2 months, and then we begin to practice ourselves, we need to see it from demo. You know, demo doesn't have emotional stuff. You need to see that you're still making money. Same thing, that demo just be free. Why not just fund? Come on, just come on, any fund. And the day you fund is rather losing money. Your emotion was attached. Let's see what is there. And then another one is when your mentor is teaching you, everybody's fund live account, yeah, buy, yeah, say, do this. While you're trading along with him, you can make money. So you think you can actually do that, and you go. So a lot like that you're not grounded enough. Your knowledge is not grounded. You're emotionally grounded enough. Intellectually, you're not grounded enough. Knowledge-wise, you're not enough. And all those stuff like that, you're not. Preparation is not enough. Your discipline is not enough. So you're not really grounded yourself enough. And what I also advise is that endeavor you always strive with something least to try off. Start with $1 or as low as you can, so that you blow it up, it will not worry you, it will not mean anything to you. You can still always come back again and fund the same amount and still go for a couple of times, 10 to 20 times before you stabilize yourself, before you gain consistency, before so much things can come. I do not advise demo actually, because it has a lot of deficiencies. It has a lot of default in it. Why? Because of lack of emotions that is there. You know, but it's good for strategies. You can use those standard strategies and see how the strategy is working. It is working fine. Of course, you should be able to go live with something little, something token, then you can feel the emotions that if you lose, you will feel attached to it. Okay, so that is what the third one. They highlight the third one. I think why people do not profit in Nigeria, why Forex do not profit in Nigeria, and some of the things most of us knew. Most of us which we have knew before coming into this industry. Now, to support it, the reverse is just the case. To support it, the reverse is just the case. To support it, I would in position, I will ensure that I do not entangle myself with the noise of get rich quick schemes. That is it. Most of us come into the market with get rich quick schemes. Mindset. Someone tell you, just flip this to $30. I say make it to $600. Wow, in just 2 days. Wow, in just 1 week. I use $100 to turn to 1 million in just 1 month. Wow, you know, such crazy result. They are possible actually. I believe that they are possible actually. But people fabricate lies a lot, fabricate things a lot at the back end. You could even be demo. There are a lot of things out there for you, but you will not know. Those who are experts, they will tell you that you will not know that it's demo. And they will be showing you that it will look as if it's real. It's not. They will deal with the brokers for you, and they will manipulate things behind at the back end. You don't know anything. So the mindset should not be, I want to get rich quick. I want to get rich quick. No, it should not be the mindset. The mindset should be, I want to grow. I want to take this as a serious business. I want to grow. I want to do everything possible. What I say about this industry, just like a 5-year-old boy, I'm meant to be probably 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, just want to write. I want to be in university. I don't understand. Come on, you are just having that zeal to enter university. Come on, you had a lot of courses, education, exposure, everything you still need to take before you get there. That is what happens to us in the industry. Everybody just want to really get there. Want to get a PJ the next day. Want to get a Lamborghini. Want to get want to get your truck. You want to get your everything. You know, a lot of stuff like that. So it's just funny that you just have to go through the roadmap, just step by step, and of course you definitely get there. And also the second point for the support is why I'm a support that you definitely make money with Forex trading in Nigeria if you do these things rightly. The second one is that what if you debunk any mindset of I want to complete that toxicity, do not attach yourself to it, because those stuff will push you. Those stuff will push you, it push you to let me bring money, let me count funds. People begin to come into and then begin to, for the fact that you're making progress, you're doing some things, you don't think you have arrived. Those will push you to do some stuff, but by the time you take it step by step, you get there. So when you push, this one has gotten Lamborghini, and the latest one, the first one in town, the only one in Africa, in this, you want to join the toxicness, the ecosystem is toxic a lot. You just have to take your own journey step by step. What I believe is that overtaking is very much allowed, irrespective of how much someone has gotten. You know that some 20-30 years ago, there are some vehicles that are winning, they are in town. Now, are they the one involved? No, those billionaires of them, they are the ones crushing all the stuff there. They are the ones killing in those times there, but now they are gone, they are no more. Another one has come out. So when your time comes, you definitely write the latest. That is it. Someone once said that it's not about how far, it's about how far, it's how well. So sometimes it's not about you joining the latest now, but joining this up. When it's time, your own latest will come outside. You don't even drive the one. That one will become old. So I believe in what following the process, sure you're doing the right thing. Bringing in along discipline, bringing in along dedications, bringing in along patience, and so much and other stuff like that. Will definitely get you there. And the last one that I am in support of why I believe that Forex trading will profit you and it's good for you, well, if you are in Nigeria, is if you seek mentorship. Now, I want to highlight something in this one very key. Please, mentorship is not all about this person has made it. Please, let's debunk that. Very important. It's not about this person has gotten PG. He has 3 Lamborghini. He has estate. He has real estate all aboard. He has this. He has that. It's not about who is this person and how does this person's strategy or whatsoever personality resonate with my personality. I come again. Mentorship is all about resonation. How does this person resonate with my personality? Am I willing to, if I'm to submit to this person, how fast will I learn from this person? The person that you can be under his mentorship for years will not still get. Why some people just come into it, they will bam. But there is a connection, there's a resonation between both of them. They're using their strategies and whatever they're doing. It goes on with the person so fast, and the person that can pick it. What should you look for? Is this person consistent? Is he doing fine? Is he doing well? That is it. Because I believe that even though you get that, once you get that this person is good, he's doing fine, he's consistent, he's doing well, he knows what he's doing, but hasn't gotten to that point of PJ, Lamborghini, and the likes. But you can learn from the person and overtakes. That's what I believe. Overtaking is allowed in this market, in this industry. Overtaking is what is allowed. But first of all, you can't tell the person that resonates with your personality, and you think this person really represents personality, his strategy fits my style and everything. You can pick it up from the person, learn from the person, and overtake. Don't you see? We have seen students overtaking, their becoming something else out of cutting their lecturers. You see lecturers using some type of cars, and see students coming back, come on, working in a good place, earning good and comfortable salaries, and doing fine beyond their students and professors. We have seen such. We have seen our apprenticeship coming under their guards, serving them. After they have served for 3 to 4 years, they have been established and they are doing much more better than their boss. We have seen something like that, cases like that. So why should you now, but the fact that some of those people that they don't even have their time. So I just believe that people get it right in the place of mentorship. It's not all about people who has made it and can learn from it. You can learn as well a big deal, but are you sharing that this person resonates with my personality? That is one of the key things about mentorship. I hope you get this clear, and I hope this passes a message for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get more insightful videos like this, and please turn on the notification And of course, more importantly, you can also join us on our Telegram. We have two mad everyday blessed signals, and of course, free trainings on our Telegram and Inner Circle. Don't forget to join us and be part of our family. Thank you for joining me today, and see you in the next video. Bye for now, guys. Peace out.